Okay, so starting off, this one is gonna be a major problem. The car sitting all the way down. Take a look at the strut in there. These don't look too deep. I hope this is not the crash card. So a funny development. I think I did mention it before, but see that dent here? This dent was not here. This was in perfect condition, like this needed no repairs. But when I went to deliver the car, there was this massive damage here. Yeah, this I'm gonna take it up with insurance. Like this big dent here, this was not here. I can show the pictures just now. But damage wise, I'm gonna check up the car. I'm worried about this side. Extremely worried because the car is sitting so low. Like it's almost like it's being supported by the wheel. Not really, but alright. Let's have a first look at this. Anyways, this is what it is. On the tire rod, the tire rod is extremely bent. And what else? The stabilizer bar. This is going to be a problem, big one for me since I'm not that familiar with working with these things. So get the tire rod, the stabilizer bar. Just checking. Funny enough, when I checked it, I thought this was broken, but this looks healthy. Or not. I think it might be damaged right here. So if you check the angle it's sitting at, it's somewhat here, right? It goes in, but it's, yeah. We'll see when we kind of move this around. I'm not sure how much impact it took from. Yeah, but it looks fine. I'll just check to see. In terms of the structure on the car, it doesn't look damaged whatsoever, except right here. Let's see if we can zoom in there. I think it's the bearing that's damaged. I hope it's the bearing. I really hope it's only the bearing, because this part is the frame of the car. I got my bulb here, came off. Anyways, I'll just keep it in there for a bit. Yeah, it's not looking too bad. I'm just worried about this now. Yes, I am now greatly worried about it. Okay, so what's the situation on this side? Now from the get-go here you can see that this is slightly bent, and if you look at the shock, I think the shock is damaged here. Just get closer. Good. So this shock is definitely damaged. I need to replace this. The stabilizer bar is sitting on top of, let me see this, grinded on the CV joint, but it looks like it's sitting fine in there. And this side. So let's try, and is the steering wheel locked? I'll check this now. Brake lines all fine, everything fine. The fender liner is gone. I'm gonna unscrew the rest of it. Yeah. So this is the bar as seen from this side. Judging by the curve, and this, it looks like it is supposed to be curved like this. In here, I'm not sure if this is supposed to be curved. I don't think so. I see. So when you check off the bumper, the crash guard, if you check, the crash guard is bent up. I just hope it didn't damage the radiator or anything. In fact, let me take off the bumper and see. Okay, I'm just going to remove the light now. Okay, I'm going to remove this light, take off the bumper, and see if there's any damage in there. So you can see this is the other part of the crash guard. I think I'm going to have to replace the crash guard as well. I wonder where I'll find this. Yeah, damage wise it's not looking too bad, at least from my POV right now. Okay, so the bumper is off. So right there, a bit easy to take off. It was held together by these clips here. This is all there is to this gas intake. Looking to the front, the first crash bar is fine. You can see the problem is the second one. Yeah, this one is damaged. Is it replaceable? Yes, it is. It's held by screws. Yeah. So this one I can replace, no sweat. The structure of the car is fine. That makes me more than happy. It's only this that actually bent up. On this side it's actually fine. Okay, so for this side I'm gonna need, I'm looking at this here, a new shock. New shock, might also get a new stabilizer bar. The tie rod is fine. I think, yeah, I'm definitely gonna need a new control arm. That one is bent. As long as it's what are they called? The ball joints for that. Structure wise is fine, so that's all I'm gonna replace for this side, and a new fender liner. And this I will think about it. I think I might need a new CV joint for there. I think that one is damaged. I think it's damaged. And the shaft itself here, this looks completely misaligned, so I'll need a new one. What I'm still thinking on now is how I'm gonna deal with the what's this thing called, the stabilizer bar, the bar itself. So that's interesting. It's bent and it's sitting on top of other parts, so I need to figure out how to deal with that. And on the driver's side, where the problem, which is the most problem, let's start. There's the fender liner, which is needed, but here I'm also gonna need the CV joint for here. I'm not sure if it's damaged inside. I think it is. I'm just gonna go under the car and check now. I will just add that on the screen. I will definitely need a new tie rod. This is fine, so that's good. I won't be needing that. Yeah, that's about it this side. Let's see. I can't move the fender, can I? No. Anyways,